Hello, I'm Britlish and I'm chuffed to be able to bring you today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is chuffed to bits, or chuffed. When you're chuffed to bits, you're really pleased with something. Students who get access to the Britlish library are always chuffed to bits with what they find. Students are chuffed to bits when they see just how many English lessons are waiting for them in the Britlish library. They're even more chuffed when they realize that new English lessons are added to the Britlish library every week. And when students discover that they can pay what they want to pay for access to the entire Britlish library, they really are chuffed to bits. At Britlish, we're chuffed to be able to help all students, regardless of their financial means, improve their English skills in the most innovative way possible. Get a free 48-hour Britlish library pass from your Britlish account page, or sign up for a monthly, biannual, or annual Britlish library pass today, and we promise you'll be chuffed to bits with this fantastic way of improving your English skills. If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button, leave a comment, and share this on social media. I'll be back.